Welcome everyone to another video in this Spacy series where we're learning NLP. In this video, we're going to be combining what we've learned so far into a single function. We're going to be creating a custom pipeline. A pipeline is just a process by which text flows through different stages. In our custom pipeline today, we're going to first tokenize it, remove the stop words and punctuation marks, and then lemmatize it. If you need any refresher on any of these things, you can check out the playlist. The link is provided in the description. So let's create the function custom pipeline. It'll take a text as the argument. Inside, we first create an NLP object and then an empty list, which will store our processed text. We'll loop through the text, tokenizing it as we go, and check if the token is a stop word or a punctuation mark, because they are futile. And then add the lemmatized version or just the base root of the token to our list. And then we'll just return the list. So let's put our function at test. We'll use a sample text. We'll use this one. Apple just released a new iPhone, and pass it into our custom pipeline and store it as the result. And our processing was done just as we intended. We can observe that the stop words such as the, has, and just, and the exclamation mark has been removed, and the words have been transformed to their base root. For example, released became release, coolest became cool. So this text is now ready to put to the analysis and build cool projects. We're getting really close to making some, so you gotta be patient. If you have any suggestions on what kind of NLP projects I can bring to you, let me know through the comment section below. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.